So guys, welcome back to our channel. Today on our biology revision series, we are still on the topic cell biology, and today we'll talk about active transport. So ensure to stay to the end of this video because this is a very important topic in your biology exam. Also, at the end of this lesson, you'll get a biology exam revision question to test your knowledge on this topic. Also ensure you've seen our previous videos on diffusion and osmosis, as these topics will help you understand active transport better. So unlike the case of diffusion and osmosis, there are situations where we need to move substances from the point where they are in low concentration to the point where they are in high concentration, that is, against their concentration gradient. This process is referred to as active transport. An example of active transport is the uptake of water and mineral ions from the soil by the root hairs of plants. The concentration of mineral ions are usually higher in the root hair cells than in the soil around them. So, they cannot take up nutrients from the soil by diffusion. Hence, they need to use active transport. The active transport allows plants to absorb nutrients from a very dilute solution against their concentration gradients. This process is essential for the plant's growth, but it also requires energy. In humans, some processes such as the uptake of glucose from the gut and from the kidney tubules also require active transports. So active transport is used when there is high concentration of nutrients in the blood and lower concentration in the gut. So in this case, the nutrients are being moved against the concentration gradient. However, if there is high concentration of glucose and amino acid in the gut and a lower concentration in the blood, these nutrients will diffuse naturally from the gut into the blood along the concentration gradient. So let us understand that active transport allows the uptake of nutrients into the blood even when it is against the concentration gradient. So take note of that. It's very, very important for you to understand these concepts for your biology exam. Alright guys, so let's check out these biology exam revision questions. So feel free to pause this video and try it out on your own. So guys, we've come to the end of this lesson. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if the video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel if you are not yet a subscriber. Thanks for watching.